Hi everybody, my name is Ed Morris and I'm Technical Manager for Altecnic. Now before we start the video today, make sure that you hit subscribe because then you'll be kept up to date with all the content that we upload onto our YouTube page. Now the video we're going to do today, we're going to look at expansion vessels and particularly we're going to look at sizing expansion vessels. Now they play a key part when it comes to sealed systems or heating systems. As the water starts to heat up, it will start to expand, and because it's a sealed system, we need somewhere for that expansion to go. We don't want to dump it out the system, we want to keep it in there, but we have to store it somewhere safe until it starts to cool down, and that's where expansion vessels come into this. That's why it's really important that we size them correctly. Now if you were to undersize it, the pressure is going to build up in the system, your safety relief valve is going to start to pass, or you're going to start to blow fittings off, and that's not what we want. We want to make sure they're correctly sized. So we here at Altecnic have a really cool little calculator. It's kind of a little bit of rule of thumb, but it will give you a guide as to what sort of size expansion vessel you're going to need for your system. So we just need a little bit of information. All of it is noted on this card. There's also a small instruction on the back of how to use it, but we'll have a quick run through now and look at how it's used. So first of all, what we need to do is work out the kilowatt rating of our heat output. So the boiler, whatever it may be, simple slide rule. So we're going to go up to say 25 kilowatts. So we've got a 25 kilowatt combi boiler or something similar that's producing our heat. Now next to here we have either steel or cast iron radiators depending on what's in the system. Both of them will give you a slightly different system size because of the volume that they hold. So we're going to work off a steel panel radiator, which is pretty much standard in the UK. And it's going to give us two numbers here, so 230 or 237. Now that's what is the system volume. But we're always going to use the larger figure so that we don't undersize the vessel. So once you've got that figure, keep it in mind, 237. We then turn it around, and on the back here now, we've got a window for our system volume. Now, we've either got 200 litres, that's too small, we said 237. Next size up is 250 litres on the calculator, so we'll use that 250 litre size. That's what size system we've got. Now, we've got three more windows here. We've got one that says half a bar, one that says 1 bar, and one that says 1.5 bar. Now, that's the static head pressure with the system, so we select which one it is. So we work off 1.5 bar here. It says that we're going to have approximately 34.7 litres of expansion, which means we will select the 35 litre expansion vessel. So that's the size vessel that we need for our system. So again, like I said at the start, it's really important we get this sizing correct. You could always have a little bit too much expansion, that's not a problem, but if you have too little, that's going to start to cause you a problem. So using something like this really will give you a helping hand when sizing your vessels. Now, if you want any more information on the sizing tool, our expansion vessels, or anything else within our range, please visit our website, which is www.altecnic.co.uk.